En este momento histórico, donde el país estuvo a un paso de irse de nuestras manos, la Policía Nacional y las Fuerzas Armadas demostraron estar a la altura de estos retos. Momento histórico porque el pueblo sufre por la violencia, por la extorsión, la vacuna y la droga que envenena y mata a nuestros hijos y daña el futuro de la patria.
At GLV Services, we are aware of the unprecedented challenges Ecuador is facing. The recent wave of violence and insecurity has deeply impacted the lives of its citizens. The streets, once witnesses to the joy and dynamism of Ecuador, now resonate with an urgent call for peace and stability. In these critical moments, GLV Services extends a message of support and solidarity to all the Ecuadorian people. We believe in the strength and resilience of Ecuador to overcome these difficult times. Ecuador's economy, rooted in its hardworking people and rich resources, has the power to recover. Exporting is not just an economic engine, but also a bridge of connection and support with the world. At GLV Services, we reaffirm our commitment to work alongside Ecuador to strengthen its economy and support the rebuilding of a safe and prosperous environment. GLV Services, committed to the peace and progress of Ecuador. Together, towards a future of hope and strength.